It's April 3rd, 2016. It's upstate New York, and as usual in April, winter gives us one Parthian shot of snow before completely retreating. This snow is following several weeks of fairly warm weather, so the ground is thawed out, but we do have this little bit of snow cover. Since the ground's thawed, I'm going to go ahead and take down this cherry tree. On 3 prior occasions, I've cut paths through these old rock walls, and in each case what I found was that there were rocks that extended out quite a distance on either side, 3 or 4 feet at least. So my expectation is that in trying to remove this tree, I'm going to find a lot of rocks around it. For that reason, I'm going to probably need to use this bar to pry some of the rocks out from the roots. I'll be using axes to cut the roots where I have a clear shot at them, and if there are going to be roots right next to the rocks, I'll use the mat axe to try and cut those. Shovel obviously to just help get the dirt aside. Once I've got enough of the roots exposed so I think there's a chance of pulling it down, I do have this chain fastened up probably about 16 feet up. It's about an 18-foot tall trunk that's left, and I'll take this, fasten it to the pine tree over there, and begin cranking on it. Hopefully that will pull some of the roots free. What I'll also be doing is, once it does start to lean, I'll take some of these logs from earlier, pile 2 of them longitudinally and 1 across, so that it can act as a fulcrum to pull the roots out of the ground. At least that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. About 34 degrees. Okay, we'll give those some chops. Okay. I'll be surprised if there aren't additional roots under there. But I've got the chain fastened, so I'll go ahead and hit it with a come along and see if I can induce some lean and see if that helps reveal where those additional roots are.
If I can get up to maybe 15 degrees of lean, then I'll stack these logs over here as a fulcrum to help try and pry the remaining roots vertically up out of the ground. Okay, I've taken the slack out of the chain, and now I'm going to start cranking seriously on the cable winch, see what happens. Okay, with that partial pull, there is a root under there, but I'm going to ignore that. There turned out to be another root over there, a small one. I severed that. I've gone ahead and put the logs in to act as a fulcrum, and I've reset the chain to get more throw into the cable. So now I'm going to start serious cranking and see if I can pry this out. Okay, good enough. We'll call that done, although I still have some roots to chop. They're easily exposed now.